Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to dive into print in reverse. To print in reverse, you have to take as input a linked list and then print the element of the linked list in the reverse order. That means starting from the last, that means 3, 2 and 1. So this is what we are expecting you to print. And it's pretty straightforward, the understanding of the thing. But now, how do we code this? There are many ways of coding this. We already know how to loop in the element of a linked list from the beginning to the end, right? So you can create an array and you store all of those elements, and at the end of this you reverse the array, or maybe you loop the array from the left to the right and then you display the element. That is one option. But what we are going to do here, we are going to use recursion. So the idea here will be as follows. Let's say I have this linked list of elements to display. I will write a function that will display all of the elements of the linked list and then display the first element. That means when he will receive this as input, he will say, okay, I will display all of head.next. That means I will display all of this element, then display this one. So when this one would take, when the function will call with these two elements, it will say, okay, I will display all of the rest of the element, then display this one. When the function will be called with this element, will say, I will display all of the rest of the element, which is null, so it will display nothing, then display this one. So at the end of the day, the first element that will be displayed will be this, and then after it will be this, and it will be this with the recursion. So what will it look like in the code? So whenever you want to build a recursion function, the first thing you need to think about is, what is the stopping mechanism? So we stop whenever our head of the linked list is null pointer. So we are going to say if the list is actually equal to null pointer, we just return. That is our breaking point. And then what we want to do here is that we want to display the rest of the element of the linked list, because we want to display them from the end to the beginning. So I'm going to call reverse print, right, of this. And only when all of the element of the next has been called, then I will display now the element, the value of the element. Where am I? So this, and then I need to go to new line. I hope it's clear for you. It's actually pretty straightforward. If you are a little bit comfortable with recursion, then you should be able to understand it. If not, take your time, try to really replay the video if you want, but the idea here is basically print the rest of the element of the linked list first before printing this element. So this one will call the function with the rest of the element. It will call the function with the rest of the element until we are at the end. So the first element to be print will be the last element. The second element to be print will be the element before the last till the first element. So let us submit this and see what it gives. We can see that everything is green. Perfect. So this is an easy, straightforward approach of solving this. I hope you do enjoy it. Feel free to give me any input. I'll be really happy to interact with you regarding this. See you on the next video tomorrow. Ciao.